Yeah, so Carly said I should just post more videos, make more content, and have some fun with it, and try and be consistent. And trying to be consistent is one of the hardest things you can try and do, as far as I can tell. There's so many areas to be consistent in that being consistent in a few of them takes almost maximum effort. Being consistent in as many as you'd like to be, / all of them, is borderline overwhelming and definitely impossible. So trying to find a balance between being consistent and then being kind to yourself when you're not consistent, and then also having the confidence to try and be consistent again after you fail or whatever. Sorry, just killing an ant. Big old ant. This is day 2 of the weekend. Well, no. Hey Emmett. This is Saturday. Carly's away with the gals. I've got the 2 boys with me. We've been out this morning. Cheers. To a cafe, had some delicious food. We've been to a playground. We went to the shops, discovered some sort of underwater exhibit, which is just free in Seaford Central, of all places. And we're having a good time. This afternoon I've got mum and dad and my sister Joey, who's back from England recently, and my grandma coming for the afternoon and early dinner. So yeah, just trying to film some talking head content and show my face around here a bit and figure out what works, figure out what people are interested in, and figure out what I have fun doing, and figure out if I can be consistent with content. We used to be a pretty much sourdough bread loaf family only, and we'd do that once every couple of weeks. We wouldn't eat that much bread. And then we had kids, and they're only 1 and 4, and no joke, I think we go through like 3 to 4 loaves. Oh, that's the cookie timer. Hey Siri, stop timer. Siri is the best for timers, if nothing else. But yeah, we go through like 3 or 4 loaves of bread a week now. Crazy. I don't know if anyone else just has bread and spread kids, but we do. But maybe we're just lazy. It wouldn't surprise me. As a lot of you know, I am the primary cook for our household. I love cooking, and part of the cooking duty is also the planning the food and menu for the week duty. It's probably the most annoying part. What makes it easy for us is that Carly's on top of the kids' food, and so she'll add a bunch of things to the Woolies app cart, and I'll add a bunch of things for dinners, she'll add a bunch of things for the kids, and then once a week we'll make our Woolies order and get it delivered within our budget, ideally. If you're interested in what our budget is and how we break that down, just let me know. It's $15 a month with Woolies, and you can have as many deliveries as you want per month for free. So that's our process. It kind of works. This afternoon I'm making a lamb roast for the 2nd time. I made it earlier this week. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen the stories. I post a lot of stories and a lot of posts, so maybe this will change that. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Let me know if this was enjoyable to watch. See you soon.
I think it was very experienced.